Unit 1, Accounts from Incomplete Records. Sum number 2. From the following particulars, ascertaining profit or loss. Capital as on 1st January 2018, 2,20,000. Capital as on 31 December 2018, 1,80,000. Additional capital introduced during a year, 40,000. Drawings made during the year, 50,000. Calculating the statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss for the year entered 31 December 2018. Some capital at the end of the year 31 December 2018, value 1,80,000. Add drawings 50,000. Added drawings 50,000. ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணா 2,30,000. less additional capital introduced. Additional capital introduced value 40,000. 40,000. less பண்ணம்னா 1,90,000. and the value adjusted closing capital 1,90,000 adjusted closing capital less opening capital 1st January 2018, 2,20,000. $2,20,000. 1,90,000 less opening capital 2,20,000 is a loss 30,000.